My name is Anna Tenbenzel. Welcome back to my channel. I have been on a 3-week trip where I tried to record these LeetCode problems, and I'll show you guys the video. This problem, when I tried to record it live and when I tried to record most of these, I had audio issues and I didn't realize until significantly later. So we are just going to be going over the next 10-ish or so problems, just the recaps, and I'll maybe post a snippet of the video of when I tried to record it at Keeneland. I was at a horse auction from the 11th, or from the 10th to the 23rd. Horse racing, and you guys can kind of see my space here today, so I apologize for my audio. So this is question number 55 of the LeetCode problem set, and the solution is in Python. This was my submission from the 10th, and this is how I did. So for runtime, I only beat about 36% of people, and for memory, I did 51. So again, would like to revisit, but this is my solution. So I want to start talking about the breakdown starting from max reach equals 0. So I wanted to initialize that variable max reach to keep track of the maximum index that could be reached while traversing the nums list. And then we go into the code that enters the for loop. So underneath the for I, jump in, enumerate nums. I also have my cat right here, you guys. She's going belly up. She's just a ham right now. So we just iterate in that loop. We iterate through those elements in the nums list along with the enumerate function. And then from there, inside of that loop, we break down whether the current index of I is greater than the max reach. So if it is, it basically just means that it's impossible to reach the end from the current position, so that the method runs or returns false. And this is just because if I surpasses that max reach, it means that there's no way to make a jump that can reach to that current position. So that's this part, the if I situation. So then if the above kind of function isn't met, it means that we can potentially reach the current position. Therefore, this code updates the max reach value, and that is done by taking the maximum of the current max reach and I plus jump. So that just essentially calculates how far you can reach from the current position. So that loop will continue until the elements from the nums list have been processed. And then after that loop completes, and if you haven't encountered a situation where I exceeds the max reach, it means that you can jump through the entire nums list. And then that case, you could reach the end, and that would return true. So that is just kind of this can jump summary, if you will, that just checks whether it's possible to jump through those elements. Yeah, that's what I have for question number 55. I have this in my GitHub repo in the link in the video description. You guys are more than welcome to fork and clone, make it better, make it worse, have some fun, learn something new. And I don't know if she'll come over here, but JoJo is coming to say hi. She actually didn't want to be disturbed at all, so I'll just put her back on my armrest. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And by the way, there will be a clip in the next video of when I tried to live record me coding this question, and a horse got loose behind me. So another reason to continue watching. Bye, guys.